Wax TV. How to spot a Jamaican beggar, and this is how you can probably flip it. Now normally, when we say hi to someone in Jamaica or what's happening, we say wagwan. Wagwan. If the person reply with, boy, stop, make a U-turn, find an escape route, and cut. Because when a Jamaican say, after wagwan, boy, you go hear this. Boy, nothing a go on, you know. And them start with the sufferation, them start with how broke them is, them start with everything we can go wrong. That a one. If you tell a Jamaican, ask a Jamaican wagwan, and a Jamaican say, boy, again, nothing a go on, you know. They are look for you, the better one. Stop again. Find a way if you make a U-turn, a escape route, and leave. Because when a Jamaican say me they are look for you, the better one, 95% of the time, them a go beg you something. So those are two ways you can identify a Jamaican beggar. Boy, look out for that. And me I look for you, the better one. Hope this was helpful to some of you when I have nothing to give. Box TV.